Jacob Zuma, who is the former president of South Africa, has visited Captain Ibrahim Traoré, who is the interim leader of Burkina Faso. My name is Oalokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Now, their meeting aimed to strengthen Pan-African solidarity, economic cooperation, and regional security ties between their nations. Now, Zuma and Traoré emphasized the need for African countries to control their natural resources and manage their own economic destinies, reducing reliance on external powers. Zuma stated, "Now enough is enough. It's over," highlighting the need for Africans to take charge of their resources. Now, they also discussed cooperation on security issues, particularly in the Sahel region, where insurgency and cross-border crime are significant concerns. Now, both leaders support Africa-centered defense framework, and the meeting showcased unity beyond borders and political systems, emphasizing African identity, unity, and heritage. Now, Zuma praised Traoré's leadership, describing Burkina Faso as a model of engagement and resistance to external interference. Now, the significance of this visit underscores growing diplomatic efforts among African leaders to promote Pan-Africanism and challenge traditional power structures. It reflects a broader trend of African leaders seeking greater autonomy and self-determination, free from external influence. Now, the meeting emphasized on economic independence, regional security, and Pan-African solidarity, suggest a potential shift in African geopolitics with implications for regional power dynamics and future trade agreements. Now, will the visit Yaga President Jacob Zuma have an impact in our government here in South Africa? What are your thoughts?